black. And what did you say it's made of, Mr.?
Jazzmanite.
Like jazz music.
Jazz music.
Beautiful. Croydon's been such a beautiful hub for street art. It's amazing.
Technologies to make brain measurements and relate that to individual differences. Yeah. The G factor is powerful. You just said something, though, that I want to just make a distinction about.
But, I mean, Farrell is feeling pretty good with what he has. Yes, quite creative. See if he can get...
Yeah, but I mean, like
It's not game ending, but it's just a nice.
Yeah, he lost a little bit more here to continue to make some reapers over there. Orca's in a good spot. And the question
boost on his medevacs.
I like they're scanning you, and of course that Maru is getting 1-1. Yeah, it's not clear that anybody has the diagonal expansions from the upper. We'll see. Eventually, someone might outposition a big advantage. Okay. Oh my God! It's coming out. High capacity fuel tanks here for fusion core coming in from Maru. Use that bottom left base.
Only a single queen for defense. That queen's going to go down immediately, and I think a few drones as well. It looks like he fellas are concentrating on this position, and now he's looking up the top right here. Gets a couple drones with his Marines. Doesn't lose any Marines, but the big story is Stewart attacking into this third orbital here.
Competition. It was through the MOBA scene for a little while there. And there was people, it was funny in the library, they're like, there's no way Jeff's never heard that term. I actually had. I don't know what to tell you. No, it was Jeff.
Two players on fire. We'll see which player lights up the stage to move forward to the quarterfinals. Please welcome up on stage. It is Neeb and Bly.
I don't think the Overlord will quite see it. Get a cheaper win, I guess, right? Like, now, at least one of his warp prisms, maybe both of them at this point. This group of units, yeah. What is it doing? Those are 3 very expensive units that he needs. And Nerchio just finished the Spire in the Hive.
Drop here inside that pocket base.
Some kind of fell apart at that point.
Yeah, you don't really expect the Doom locked in one way or the other. It can get really awkward. Nerchio, I think, you can call it luck or whatever, but it was just a good strategy on that map, and it took away something you point out, Artos, is that was Harstom's map pick, so it's a little bit of an awkward spot there.
From Poland, it is Nerchio.
Going into his match, it was down on the ticker below. This is fantastic. I can get some damage done.
And I'll tell you, one of the old adages, if you leave a Protoss alone, but they're not getting economic damage in necessarily, so Nerchio kind of setting up coolly.
Nerchio's up 2-0.
It's not a bad idea.
Map for it too.
Yeah, very true.
Go on, go over the edge.
Interfere with an Englishman's right to go whoring. You lie. Your warrant is a truck touch. Well, hello.
It's first class. Quite pleased with that. There's a lot of air bubbles. Definitely need a gel coat.
Another one bites the dust.
So we just got to put the mould back on and then the rubber back in the mould. Cool.
Yeah, looks good, man.
Okay, so just like a duvet.
I wouldn't know. Where's this one going?
Croydon Street Art
Oh,
Festival.
this is going Croydon as well.
Yeah.
How can I relinquish my freedom to a man?
Give a big shout out to our friends at New Dawn Magazine, and the New Year's edition is set to hit it's coming off the press I think in about 10 days.
Oh no, is it free? It's going to be more difficult to start for this. Oh, is it? Just this is the easy one. Hey! That's the centrepiece, isn't it, basically? That's the centrepice. So cool. Anti-clockwise kind of bit. That's stop, yeah. Yeah, I like the Medusa and the owls are very good. Excellent. I'll be back.
How you doing, sir?
Yes, yes,
Good
yes.
to see you.
Nice to
Like it?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's good. I'm impressed. Not sure what it is. What is it?
You tell me.
It's in the eye of the beholder, they say. Have a good day. Take it.